Are you stuck at adding overlay to your video? Are you finding it difficult to overlay a text, image or video? Don't worry, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you the simple way to add overlay to your video, and I'll also explain the meaning of overlay in video editing. Okay, so if you are new here, a miracle update. In this channel I teach video editing tricks and also mistake that you should avoid while editing to keep your video professional. So let's get started. Overlay simply mean placing a video or a picture on top of another one. Okay, just see it in a way that you keep a book on a table and you use another textbook and place it on top. Okay, so you are laying the textbook on top of another textbook. So this is what we mean by overlay. Okay, so let's get started to the practical part, then I'll show you how you can add an overlay in a simple way. Okay, so we'll be using ucut to achieve this. This is ucut over here, so click on the app, then let it load. Okay, so after loading, click on the plus icon here, then new project, then we're going to import the video we'll be working with. Okay, so I will be using this video for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, then after clicking on it, I will click on this arrow over here to add it to my timeline. Okay, so this video is here. So what we'll be doing now is to lay another video on top of this one. Okay, so let's use image to do it. Okay, so what I'll be doing next is that you'll slide to the home tools. Okay, slide to the left, then you see pip. This pip simply mean picture in picture. Okay, so in some editing software or app, you see it will be titled with overlay. Okay, but some case you see pip, some case you see overlay. Okay, but this one is pip, so it's the same thing. Just tap on it, then you are going to choose anything you want to overlay on the top of the main footage. Okay, so we'll be using a photo for this. Let me use this photo. Okay, so I'll just tap on it, then it will come in the video. So are you seeing that this photo that I just imported is now staying on top of the video? Are you seeing it? So this is like the thing I explained before, laying something on top of existing something. Okay, are you seeing that this photo is now on top of this video? So this is a simple method that you can use to overlay. So this is not the end. Okay, so after doing this, you like to make this photo to fill the screen depending on the kind of overlay you want to take. Okay, so to make this photo to fill the screen, we'll be going sliding again and clicking on this fill over here. Okay, so once we click on it, the photo is going to fill the screen. Then we can now tap and hold the clip, that is this one, to drag it to the place we actually want it to appear. Okay, so let me play the video so that you see what we just done.
For serious people only, so take the advantage now. 1K only, don't miss.
So are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Most of you have seen this thing before in a video. Okay, especially in a comedy video, they usually use this. Okay, and also in advert video, you can use this when you are doing advert video too. If you want to bring in the product you are advertising, okay, you will just use the overlay to bring it in. So this is very simple, and this is a simple method you can use overlay. Okay, so if you found value from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content tips like this. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.